Getting my assistants ready. There you go. And action. Yeah? You're going to be assisting me? Yes, Emma? Yes, Emma? You come to assist? Yeah, you're wet now. Oh. It is always so much fun to having my boys when I'm baking or cooking. They're very attentive. Wonder if
think I
there
get
will
anything?
be a morsel.
Oh, really? This is hot.
Okay, I'll give you something else. You've been waiting so patiently. Here, a little bit of cheese. There you go. Happy Easter! Well, it's holy day, but we start early. Delicious. 3-corner leek, hard cheese, Easter muffins.
Hell are you doing? When I don't clean up straight away. Hey, you, off.